Hello and welcome to Sharmila's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate brownie. It is rich in chocolate and perfect for any party. First, melt the butter in microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now put all-purpose baking flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and sieve them together. Sieving is very important part of baking because in this way all the dry ingredients get mixed up properly and evenly distributed within each other. It also removes lump or dirt if they contain. Whisk the eggs. Stir in sugar. Put few drops of vanilla essence and melted butter. Mix them again until they are well incorporated with each other. Don't over mix it. 2 to 3 minutes mixing is enough for this. Now put the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and now fold it. Very gently mix it. If you want, you can use electric mixer, but don't overbeat it. Now add in chopped hazelnuts. Stir in. You can add any nuts of your choice. You can even add choco chips, milk chocolate, anything that you like. Now line a baking tray with baking paper. Pour the batter in. Spread evenly. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Now put the baking tray in the oven and bake for 25 minutes. You can also make the brownie in the microwave. For this, you need a micro-safe bowl. Brush with little butter all the sides. Now put a baking paper which is round in shape and again brush little butter on the baking paper so that the brownie come off easily. Pour in the batter. Microwave for 5 minutes on high power. My both of brownies are ready. They are very soft to touch. Now check whether it is done or not. Put a toothpick inside it and take it out. See, no batter is there, means it is perfectly done. Now invert the brownie which is made in microwave. See how nicely it came out. Pull out the baking paper. Garnish with a cherry. Now let's garnish our brownie. I have this small shape cutter. It is heart shape. I am going to cut the brownie with this heart shape cutter. If you enjoyed my today's recipe, please hit like button, and for such yummy recipes, please subscribe my channel. You can also check my website for detailed recipe and connect me through Facebook. The links are in the description below. See ya in next episode. Till then, take care and bye bye.